Welcome back to Zindha CPWD. This is an update about Class 19L from GCC 2023, that is General Conditions of Contract 2023. So they have updated this recently. What they are saying is it is mandatory for all the contractors to have EPF and ESIC. So this they have made it mandatory, and especially for the works for supply of manpower. So when you are supplying manpower to the department, you have to file EPF and ESI. So if you are not having that, you can still attend the tender, but within 30 days of the time of award of that work, you have to register with EPF and you have to file it. You have to get 12% of the gross salary from that particular employee, and you have to put additional 12% of his gross salary and put together 24% for EPF and same wise 4% to ESI. So the thing is, you are putting additional amount. That amount can be claimed from the department side. So that 12% is claimable, and they have also instructed that within normally 7 till 30 days. Within that period, you will be reimbursed that amount. There is no tax for that. It is just an HR reimbursement. So this is the update about Class 19L from General Conditions of Contract. So stay updated with Zindha CPWD for more updates about CPWD. Thank you.